Good morning, Friday the 4th of October 2024, the date that we should all probably remember as the day the whole EV market was shaken up again by Mr. Musk. Tesla have just announced the new Model Y rear-wheel drive with a big fat battery in it. The 77 kilowatt hour usable, 75, I can't remember which, but with a stonking 373 WLTP mile range. Why does it get more range than the dual motor long range? Well, basically there's less weight and it's more efficient, there's less drag, but it's a great car, great offer. So in the basic spec, well, it's all the same spec, but what I'm saying is the black trim and the white paintwork is coming at £46,990. This is going to seriously shake up the whole EV market, particularly when it comes to Model Y and used values. So just having a quick look at what's available as we speak from Aston Barclay. They've got a 23 plate there, Model Y in the nice blue, long range, cap average 32.5, cap clean 33.8. Bear in mind that the old long range won't go as far as the new rear wheel drive long range. Okay, so this new vehicle, I tell you what, is just going to be a stonking good deal. Looking at recent values here on the BCA website, let's have a look at the closest we can get. Long range all-wheel drive, 72 plate, 2023 reg. Last 7 days, one example with 25,000 miles on the clock, sold for 32.4, which was in between average and clean of 32.9. Notice the old new price for the long range was 57.935. This new one is coming in at 46.9. That's £11,000 less. Now apparently Elon has got a massive margin to play with when it comes to selling his brand new Model 3, Model Y. Is that I just did a quick bit of internet research. It's around about $7,000 profit per vehicle that the company makes. That is just unheard of in the motor industry. I think Ford are actually making a loss on every EV they sell. General Motors a little bit better. I think it's $200 or $300, not $7,000. So Elon has got this massive ability to control the price of his brand new vehicles, and by bringing in this new long range rear wheel drive at 46.9, £11,000 cheaper than the old all wheel drive with a big battery, it's really going to throw the whole cat among the EV pigeons. I think this day is going to be a real turning point in the EV market. I've got a hankering for a Model Y. I've nearly pulled the trigger a few times on a rear wheel drive and then an all wheel drive, because I would like a genuine 260, 270 miles, similar to my e-Niro. But now he's just launched this rear wheel drive with a big battery with a genuine, from what I've read, 350 mile range. I'm just going to have to wait another 3 years until these come off lease that have just been announced today. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait a bit longer just to see what price these are going to be in 2.5 to 3 years time. But great news, I think this is going to be one of Elon's best selling EVs. It's got everything, the Model Y. It's got the space, it's got the big fat boot with the tailgate, which is preferable over the Model 3. And okay, it's going to be soon replaced by the facelift, the Juniper, that's going to have a similar front end and back end to the facelifted Model 3 Highland, and probably no indicator stalks. That's worth remembering. If you want a Model Y with indicator stalks, buy this outgoing model. And as well, with outgoing models, I prefer them to the very latest model. Why? Well, with an outgoing model, they've had all those years of tweaking and development and feedback from owners, and any issues have all been ironed out before the end production and start the production of a new model, which will have various changes and upgrades and better features and probably slightly softer suspension on the new Model Y that's going to come in around spring, summer 2025. But despite that, I think this is a cracking deal to get a genuine 350 mile range Tesla Model Y for £46,990. Have a look at their website. I've got no referral code to show you. I'm not a Tesla fanboy in any way. I just want to share my thoughts with you. I think it's going to really upset the whole car market, particularly on used residual values of Model Y. I pity some EV dealers that have got good stock of Model Y, because overnight, buying a brand new one for a lot of people is going to be within reach. I think they're also offering 0% finance as well. So yeah, this is going to be one of Tesla's biggest sellers to date. Mark my words. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tune in, subscribe. Every month I'll do a video from a live auction and put it out the day after with recent EV prices. But like I said, this Model Y is going to cause shockwaves through the car industry.